Hello and welcome to yet another session of online classes. I hope you are all well and safe. We were studying about Evans tries an O-level, how Evans, a kleptomaniac, was in prison for thrice. He had escaped from prison, and this was the fourth time that he was in again. And he wanted to give O-level German examination. Now, this German examination was a part of his plan to escape. And he was fond of adventure, and so he wanted to have some fun, as you can say. And so he decides, and all the precaution was taken. But fortunately or unfortunately, you can say, he escaped. And how he escaped, that is what we're going to learn. Now, he was giving the examination in his own cell. And if you remember, children, that McLeary had brought a rubber ring. And he said he suffered from piles, and so he couldn't sit for a long time. And so he decided he had brought this rubber ring. And this rubber ring actually contained the blood. Inside it was blood. And this Evans, what he does, he puts the blood over him and pretends that he was McLeary, because McLeary had come in with two pairs of clothes, and they exchange. How do they exchange, children? In the middle, if you remember, he asked for a blanket, and this blanket was a cover, so he could exchange the clothes inside. He could wear the clothes inside, and this is what how he did it. And then afterwards, he escapes. And now McLeary, of course, he was escorted by Stephens, if you remember. And then in the cell, it is actually Evans, but they presume it was McLeary hurt by Evans, and because he was wearing those clerical clothes, everything of a reverend. And they take him out and they take him to the hospital. And from there he escapes. And when he escapes, he goes to the hotel Golden Lion. And the governor comes to know, and he goes there. And when Evans opens the door of his room, a governor is sitting there on the bed, and he welcomes him, and then he says that he is surrounded by the police. Actually, there were just two prison officers, and there was nobody there, but he just puts an impression there. So Evans, he pretends to be frightened, and he gives in, and they walk towards the police van which was waiting there. And here the governor makes another mistake. He goes in his vehicle, whereas tells Evans to come in the prison van. And the people, the driver and the associate, are his people. And so once again Evans escapes, and the governor is fooled by them. So that is the end of the story. And children, we come to know that when we are given an authority, we have got to make best use of it, and we have got to sort of what should I say, be very careful and very tactful how we deal with our subordinates. So that's all for the present. Have a nice day.